Good morning, children. So we'll continue with the worksheet number 16 of chapter 8, structure and function. Yesterday we did worksheet number 15. So kindly write date, name, class, section and roll number on this worksheet. Your question number 1 is A part. Take the correct options. First is which of these cell organelles and their function is matched correctly. You have to tell which is matched correctly. First is chloroplast, control all activities. Nucleus, give shape to the cell. Cell wall, synthesize food. Mitochondria, stores and provides energy. So kindly raise hand. Varuni.
Ma'am, mitochondria
Yes. So
store
one
and
is,
provide energy.
yes, only one is correct. Mitochondria stores and provides energy. Next is which of the following given is in the ascending order of the number of nuclei present in the cell. So we have to see the ascending order. Okay, first all smaller to larger one. Paramecium brain cell RBCs. RBCs brain cell paramecium. Brain cell. So children, you can see which one is will the correct one. Either A or D.
One
Kindly raise
second.
your hands.
Ma'am, D.
Yes, Varuni.
Ma'am, paramecium RBC of mantle brain cell.
So D part is the correct option because you have taken here that paramecium is a single celled organism and we are moving from single cell to the larger number of cells. Next is which of the following statement is or are the functions of Golgi apparatus? Transporting proteins that are to be released from the cell, packaging, altering or modifying proteins, all of these. So kindly raise your hand if you know the answer of Golgi apparatus. What's the exact answer of Golgi apparatus? Kindly raise your hand. So D part will be the right answer, all of these. Next, number 4. Which of the following is a correct room of cells? Control room of cells. Raise hand. Neha Jain.
Ma'am, nucleus.
Nucleus. So already we have done. Nucleus is the control center or control the activities. Number 5. Which of the following statement are incorrect regarding genes? They control the transfer of heredity characteristics. Nucleus carry genes. They are the part of chromosomes. They are found only in the nucleus. So tell which one of the statement is incorrect. Yes, Anshika Agarwal.
Ma'am, second and fourth.
Uh, Means which option is correct then? D part.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody else? You have to tell which statement is incorrect. Incorrect statement you have to tell. They control the transfer of heredity. This is also wrong. Yes, Pari.
Ma'am, only three.
Or they are the part of chromosomes. No, the genes lie on the chromosomes. This is also. आपको incorrect statement बतानी है. They control the transfer of heredity. This one is correct.
Ma'am, one.
Yes,
Ma'am,
beta.
second.
Nucleus carry all the genes. They are the part of chromosomes. They are found only in the nucleus. So this is also correct. आपको incorrect find out करनी है.
Second.
What second? Second तो कहीं option ही नहीं है. They control the. Okay, I am going for D part. After that, I'll tell you if any other corrections will there. So till here, everybody has done. Next,
Excuse me, ma'am.
let's continue with the next part. Number 5. Yes, number 4.
Excuse me, मैम
Yes.
मैम जो आपने शेयर स्क्रीन करी है मैम वो अलग है और मैम मेरी बुक का पेज अलग है
Beta, this is worksheet number 16. It's not possible. Same books are there. So just see to it again. Number B, complete the following statement. So the cork is a part of dash cell. Yes. Ananya Kahara.
Ma'am, cork is a part of the bark of the tree.
Yes, it's a bark of a tree. Next. And it is made up of dash cells. Of which cells it's made up of? Yes, Anshika.
I'm dead cell.
It is made up of dead cells.
तो नहीं आया
Kindly write down.
मैम
It is made up of dead cells. Next, all cells are enclosed in a dash composed of dash and dash. All cells are enclosed by a dash. Yes, Varuni.
Ma'am, cell membranes.
Yes, tell me, beta.
Cell membrane.
All cells are enclosed by a cell membrane composed of yes, Ananya Kahara. Yes, tell me, beta. Ananya Kahara, yes. Pavitra.
मैम साइटोप्लाज्म एंड न्यूक्लियस
Okay. Cytoplasm and nucleus. Write down, everybody. Cytoplasm. And in second, it will be nucleus. Next is in plants, there is a dash as the outermost cell, which is composed of dash. So what is there in yes, in plants there is a cell wall. Next, as the outermost covering, which is composed of yes, Varuni. Yes, and Anshika, which is composed of
Cellulose.
cellulose, which is composed of cellulose. Which is composed of cellulose. Next is number 3. Amoeba changes its shape due to the formation of dash, which facilitate dash and help in dash. Yes, Pari Agarwal.
Ma'am, due to the formation of pseudopodia.
Due to the formation of pseudopodia, which facilitate. What will be the next one? Yes, Pari or Varuni.
Movement and help in capturing food.
Which facilitates movement and helps in
Capturing food.
capturing food. So children write down the formation of due to the formation of false feet or pseudopodia you can write down. Pseudopodia. Here will be the movement. movement. And helps in capturing prey. Capturing food, or you can say capturing food or prey. Next is plasma membrane is dash and allow dash, both and dash. So four dashes are there. First of all, you have to see that what's written here. Yes, Pari, plasma membrane
Plasma membrane is porous
is
and
is porous. Yes. Plasma membrane is porous and allows the
movement
movement. Allows the movement. Allows the movement of both
inwards and outwards.
inwards and outwards. Inwards and outwards. Okay, go for the next one. Large dash are common in dash in animal cells. They are much. So, Anshika Agarwal, children
Yes,
rest.
ma'am.
Yes, large.
Vacuoles.
Yes, large vacuoles. Next are
Are
common in
common plant cell.
plant cell. Next, and in the animal cell they are much
Smaller in size.
smaller. Or in plant cell they are much smaller. Okay. Next is I hope everybody has done till here. Very short answer type questions. Name the following. So you have to give the names for the following. Number one, who coined the term cell?
Robert Hooke.
Yes, okay. Robert Hooke was a scientist. Okay, next. Organism formed of many cells.
Multicellular organism.
Okay, these are the multicellular. Multicellular. Next is thread-like structure present inside the nucleus. Chromosomes. Chromosomes. Next is a group of cells that perform a function. A group of cells which performs a particular function. Yes, Pari? Yes, tell me, beta. Group of cells. It will be
Ma'am,
tissue. Group of cell is known as tissue. So till here everybody has done. Next, in question number 2, you have to form a correct sequence from the following. Should I remove this? Yes, Pratyaksha, you can tell.
Ma'am, cell, tissue, organ system, organism.
So first will be, so children, you can write the sequence properly yourself. What is the sequence? First is cell. Yes, Pratiksha, speak again. Tissue.
Cell, tissue, organ, organ
Yes.
system, organism.
So this is a sequence. All has been covered. And after then, organism. One is left, that is organism. Organism. Next is organism. तो बाकी टीचर्स लिखेंगे. ये पूजा लिखेगी, पूजा मैम, और ये निशी मैम लिखेंगे. ऊपर है. Okay, children. Question number D part. The nuclear membrane is absent in X. Its nuclear material is scattered and it lacks certain organelles. Y has a organized nucleus. Let us, but it lacks plastids and cell wall. Z possesses both plastids, so it has a cell wall and organized nucleus. So identify X, Y, Z. Kindly raise your hands. Who can identify as okay? So tell me what is X? Nuclear membrane is absent in it. Either it is a eukaryotes or prokaryotes. Tell me what it will be. The organisms in which the nuclear membrane is absent. Yes, Varuni?
Prokaryotes.
Yes. So X will be prokaryotes. Prokaryotes. Next is what the Y will be. Y has a organized nucleus, but it lacks plastid and cell wall. So what will be Y? Yes, Pari. Y will be.
Eukaryotes.
Yes, beta.
Eukaryotes.
Speak loudly.
Ma'am, eukaryotes.
Eukaryotes. Or anybody else, you can say eukaryotes. It lacks plastids and cell wall. Organized nucleus is there, but lacks plastids भी नहीं और cell wall भी नहीं है. So you can write down animal cell it is. I'm not able to hear you, beta.
Ma'am, animal cell.
Next. What does Z for? Z क्या है? It possesses both plastids and organized nucleus. It has a cell wall and a organized nucleus also. So it is a, yes, you can tell Ananya.
Plant cell.
Yes, it's a plant cell. Next is, so children, you have to label all these parts. Question number 2. A to E. Name the type of cell it is shown. So you can label these parts. Yes, Anshika Goel. And you know this is a structure of?
Membranes.
Huh? Yes?
And first is cell membranes.
No, I'm asked. Yes, you can write down yourself, children. So kindly label from A to D part.